Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope students you all are fine and doing well at home. So as you all know that we are done with the argumentative writing, and now I'm going to give you the last task of argumentative writing so that you can do it at home, and after that we'll start our last topic, persuasive article. So you are supposed to write an argumentative writing on social media is the root cause of frustration. So you have to negate it or you can go for it. So it's up to your choice. So, first of all, you have to use dark forest technique, then use discourse markers as well. Discourse markers. Discourse markers can also be called cohesive devices. As I told you, what are discourse markers? They are linking words, they are connectors, they are linkers, they are used to join the sentences and paragraphs. So cohesive also means to link, to join something. So discourse markers can also be used and also be called cohesive devices. Like furthermore, moreover, in the nutshell, to conclude, meanwhile, after, finally, firstly, secondly, all these are cohesive devices that will connect your paragraph and sentences. So you need to you can take a stance for your argument, whether you want to go for it or against it. First of all, choose this, whether you are against it or for it. First of all, take a stance whether you are against it or for it, and then start it. If you think that social media is the root cause of frustration, if yes, then make evidences and reason according to that. If you don't think that social media is not the root cause of frustration, so then you can check evidences according to that. Let me little bit reform the question. Social media is the root cause of frustration among youth. Make it particular. Okay. So now you have to use dark forest technique, and you know that dark forest technique I already told you. And then use paragraphs, use simple, compound and complex sentences as well, and use adjectives. You have, first of all, take a stance. After that, that will fulfill your requirement. Then take why you think like that. If yes, then why? If not, then why? After that, use alliteration, use anecdotes, use repetition, use rhetorical question. Your main point is counter argument. Kindly do the counter argument properly. So if you want to negate the other person's opinion, then you have to provide solid and rational evidences so that you can negate the other person's point of view. Then use facts and figures, use opinion, use rhetorical questions, use emotive language. Kindly do use it. Your writing, your language should be enhanced. Then statistics and triplets. And kindly do mark after writing the whole task, kindly highlight the points with lead pencil so that you can know that which thing you have added and which thing you are left with. So after that you can add it, and then send me. And I'm not getting homework assignment from every student, so kindly send me on time. And mostly students have sent me only one